camera.
Somebody say, why yo, hey, 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 hey.
Hello, everybody. This is my grandma. So, in the Christmas spirit, you know, we have our parang playing, and we're gonna make pastels, and she's gonna be showing us how we make them. Okay? Okay. Okay. Let's get started, guys.
I'm gonna fry up all the onions, the garlic, and the pepper.
The shadow beni in there?
Not yet. Okay. I need it.
Sounds good. So yes, y'all, she said onions, garlic, garlic's in here, girl?
Garlic,
Onions, garlic,
peppers,
scallions, peppers,
pimento.
pimento.
Okay. I'm gonna add some shadow beni. And don't forget the love. Don't forget the love. I need the And since we don't eat pork, we're gonna use chicken and turkey.
Guys, I don't even know how to make it. So this is my first time seeing as well. So we're in this together.
Pour that in. Then everything cook up together. Then you add your meat. And then blend it. Sure. Give it a stir. we used to use something named ruku, which is what gives it color. I bought something else instead. Since we don't have ruku in America, I bought this instead to give it the color. But we're gonna add this after.
So to give it the color,
We're gonna use some tomato cooking base. Usually it's ruku, that thing with the red thing with the pickery stuff on it. Only found it in that. Okay, cover this, let this simmer a little. Okay. And you're gonna add a little salt to taste.
just put your hand in there, Grandma.
Put your hand in there.
That's what I do. So y'all can see how it looks.
Are you coming to see what's going on? So next year I won't be here, you don't know where I'm gonna be.
Where you leaving me to
Part of
go?
the world I'm gonna be.
You're gonna be right
Sweet
here.
TNT.
Are you taking me with you?
Yeah, of course.
Yay! Mommy TNT next year for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yay! Sweet, sweet TNT.
No, salt. I average salt. I don't measure salt with the spoon.
I don't either.
So I have to measure it like this.
Oh gosh.
But you don't want it too salty. You want it like sweet and salt. That's what we want.
Oh, okay.
That's why they use olives and capers.
That gives it a sweet
Spanish taste. Yes. Spanish food.
Cover back? Cover back?
Yeah, like some other. You can add the meat.
Just put
What
it
the meat? Smell the pastel already. The olives and the sweet stuff. So if you don't have the right ingredients, forget it. Don't even bother to try me. This would not be pastel.
So what would you do?
Fast.
No, that's not gonna hold, Grandma.
And then it's gonna hold. When you cook up together, taste it and see if you get the right taste. It must have a little pepper in it, you know? No, thank you. Guess nobody's gonna use it again somehow.
Yeah, finish it.
Pimentos!
And you have more shadow beni over here.
Don't put enough sugar. You can't put too much of seasoning. I want to kill the Spanish flavor.
Okay.
Too much of anything, it kills the flavor. What you're trying to get. skinny. No wonder why they were so cheap. They probably have no things. You got a good color, you know. To be honest, put more right? I still come up here, so salt and if you need a little bit of pepper, I have 2 green peppers. Okay. Maybe I can put half of pepper. You can see the pepper you don't like, use your taste. Okay, that's good enough. Just let it simmer down a little bit. And get some more water. We don't want it too dry. It must be moist. So we're gonna chop this now. Alright guys. We kind of too far from that. So why we don't bring that over here? Okay. You want to show the chopping too?
Yes!
You want everything for keeps? So we're going to blend up our stuff because we don't like to see the whole thing. I can put it like this?
Yeah.
So first only a little everything. By the time this pop up. So everything is blended up, you see?
Yep.
So you don't have to study. I wonder if and I wonder why and I wonder how. You where you gonna put it in this or that bowl?
You can put it in a bowl. Really?
But I don't use the pastel press. I just use a plate because I find the pastel press don't press it flat enough.
It's traditionally made with the fig leaf.
The banana leaves. But since America don't grow bananas, sorry. $5, sister.
$5?
Real McCoy.
Like she said, we're gonna be using this one to press the bottom, press the pastels because we don't have a board here. She has one home.
Have mommy, you use granny. Alright, we'll mix our cornmeal. Okay, we're gonna get some butter, guys. Let's stick a butter.
A whole stick.
Look on sexy boy.
Huh? What's wrong? We're hurt?
Oh my god.
But it's so hard to do something.
Yes. It's
We are not gonna use salt.
I'm getting caught in my film.
So we need another one.
Looking like a vagrant.
With those clothes you got there, Lord have mercy.
Tucky, tucky.
Yeah, we need more salt. A lot of water.
Yeah, Graham.
I'm using gloves on because I don't like my fingers to get into the dough. I have passed that stage.
How much oil?
About some.
In here? Put it.
Guess this is the whole together the dough, you know. It's not supposed to open my hair.
Just take off the top. The whole top. Love you.
You see, it have to be like this texture. All have to be like this texture. Then you. This cornmeal, that's really nice. You pay money to get good cornmeal. You know, when you buy the $2 for $1 cornmeal, it don't be good.
Oh, Grandma, you're making a mess.
I didn't. That's what you're here for, to clean it up.
That's what I'm here for?
Clean it up. You don't want it too hard and you don't want it too soft. You just want it just right. And this is the dough.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! You can feel it. So nice and smooth it is.
It feels like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. And then
Yeah.
maybe it is.
It doesn't even feel like regular dough. Feels like something kids play with. It looks like something kids play with.
Like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So I'm going to grease the pan. So we don't want it to be sticking around, you know? I'm just going to make the balls. The balls. Come to your eyes. I'll make the balls. It's easier to use a glove so you don't have to be washing your hand every minute. And you're going to make like average size balls. You don't want to make the pastel too small, you don't want to make it too big. Like little balls.
Like this? Or too big?
Well, that's too big. Why you want a big pastel? No. Look. Okay. Drop it like it's hot. I like small tin pastel. I think some people make the pastel big and you can make it how you want, you know. She's not doing the full video now.
Yes, she is. It's recording, Grandma. It's been recording this whole time. You look cute on camera, though.
That's where I get it.
What that?
Pastels.
I don't have cornmeal dumpling.
You know the pastel?
Jamaican.
And
You know that.
speaking of a pastel, you know about blue drawers, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Well, it's something like that, but this one have the meat. The blue drawers is just coconut milk and cornmeal.
I left a big air hole right here for you. Jay, covering mommy. Help! Help! Help!
The best cornmeal we use is promosa.
Yes. I have my Trini viewers.
What do you call it, but say something?
Yeah. Oh, they send me some promosa.
Promosa cornmeal. We use one sheet of foil. Since we don't have banana trees in America, we're going to be using foil. Okay, ice.
Yes.
So you won. Okay, you have. How much you did?
Plenty.
Then you know what?
What is that?
Okay, stop. No joke. No joke. No joke. You're gonna dip it in the oil because you don't want it to be sticky.
And mash.
You don't have to mash. You're gonna put a little oil on top because you don't want it sticking onto them.
Okay.
Then you're gonna put this on top here. And you're gonna use this and press it up. This we don't have a press. Press it on hard.
So, we pressed it. The pan has a little dent in it, but she said that's okay. Okay. And then, put it off the top.
Voila.
Voila.
If you don't want, you want it a little bigger, you could just,
Fill it out yourself.
yeah. I think it could have gone down a little more. I think it could have opened up a little more. Have a nice texture and everything. So you're gonna put this a spoonful of meat. You're gonna put enough meat, but you don't want to put too much to
overflow it.
Yeah. If you want, when you bite in the meat.
Not just cornmeal.
Right. And then you hold the paper like this.
Okay.
You fold it over like this because you want to cover it. Okay? And you smooth out it. This is important. You don't want when you're warming it that it's leaking. So you're gonna fold it from like here. See? So you seal it in the thing. And make sure you seal it real tight. And you seal it again. And you seal it again till you reach to the food itself. Okay? So you know here is tight. Then you're gonna do it on the side and you're gonna make sure
Fold
you
it multiple times.
really tight. You're going to press it and make sure it's tight because you don't want water getting in your food when you warm it. See? And voila! Pastel number 1. Okay. You put your thing. You dip it in the oil. You don't want to dip it in the oil all wrong so you don't have to go back into the oil. Back and forth, right? Okay.
And then
Center.
center.
press it down before, yeah, you press it down before you put that on.
Okay, and then put this on top.
You want the gloves? If you're comfortable with it, that's fine. I'd rather you put this on. Just give you a this is good because I have a good one.
Yeah. Take this off.
See how easy it is?
I did it!
Yeah, she did it. She did it. She did it.
That she showed us how to make the pastel, so now we both can make it. And pretty much how you cook it, you put it in strainer or steamer for 10 minutes, and then voila, there you go, it's done. See you next video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to do that and hit the little notification bell to be notified when I post. Later, guys.